Some people come into your life like the shadow. You cannot touch it, but you exactly know it is the real. When the sun rays and shine to you, you can see your shadow, and when the sun sets, your shadow will disappear. And the next day, your shadow will appear again when the sun rays and disappear again when the sun sets. Like love, someone comes into your life by a short time to give you some lesson, such as give you smile, give you cry, give you happy, give you sad, and then go away. And the next time there's someone new come into your life like the shadow again. So when someone let you go and make you cry, make you sad, you just memory it, because it's the best lessons to complete your life, to be bright and be stronger to the next.